children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about addition, which is 100. So let's start with that. 10 tens is equal to 100. जो हमारे 10 tens होते हैं वो हमारे सेम होते हैं 100s के बराबर में. ओके बेटा, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000 और जो 10 hundreds होते हैं is same as 1000. We know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 ones. भाई 1 में 1 करेंगे तो 2 आता है. Similarly 1 10 plus 1 10, 2 tens like this. Okay, 1 then 2. Similarly 100 plus 100, 200s and 200 plus 300s हमारा बनता है 500s. 500s plus 200s is equal to 700s and 800s plus 200 is equal to 10 hundreds or 10 hundred is same as 1000. So 1 plus 1 2, 10 plus 10 20, 100 200, 200 300, 500 500 में 200, 700 and 800 plus 200 makes number 1000. Okay, this is how we just add it. Now move on next one, which is filling the blanks and circle the thousands. 300s plus 100s. If you add both the number, then you will get 400. So write it 4. 400s plus 200s. So 4 and 2 होते हैं हमारे 6. Similarly, just take number and add it both the numbers. And here it is also given, fill ups and circle the 1000. 300 plus 400, if you add both the number, you will get 700 beta. Okay. Then 500 and 300 हमारे होते हैं 800. And these are the 400, 200. Just add both the digits and fill the other blanks yourselves. Okay. Now life skill. Your father gave you a 500 rupees note. आपके पापा ने आपको 500 rupees का नोट दिया है. And your mother gave you a 100 rupees note. How much money do you have now? अब आपके पास कितने हो गए? Yes, 500 plus 100 is together 600. So write it 600 here. So next, addition, simple addition. 721 plus 135. Okay, how we do this? 700s plus 2 tens and 1 is 721. 100 plus 3 tens and 5 ones is equal to 135. Just add up all the number 800s plus 5 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so 856. First add ones, then add tens and then add hundreds. पहले ones की place, फिर tens की place, फिर 100 की place को आप add करोगे. I hope you understood. So now move on, texting time 5 and 1. Here it is given 234 plus 432. So at ones place first. 4 or 2? Yes, 6. 3 and 3. 3, 3, 6. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So 666 is the answer of that one. So these are very easy. Just fill it your own beta. Okay. So now add 560 plus 213. So we have to start with ones place. So here it is 3. 6 or 1 7 and 5 or 2 7. So this is how we just do the other one 2 beta. Okay. So now move on, texting time 5.2. Addition word problems. There are 230 red roses in a row. एक रो में 230 roses हैं and 340 pink roses in another row of a park. और park के दूसरी तरफ कितने हैं? 340. How many total roses are there in the park? अब park में total कितने हो गए हैं? So how we will do? 230 red roses and second one is 340. So just add both the number together. So 0 0 0, 4 or 3 7 and 3 and 2 is our 5. So now we can say that there are 570 roses in the park now. Okay, so these are the other example. You have to fill it your own beta. Now move on, life skill. Isha bought notebooks for rupees 150 and a geometry box for rupees 100. So how much she paid for these? तो अब दोनों चीज़ों के लिए उसको कितना पे करना पड़ेगा? Clearly 150 plus 100 becomes 250. Yes, so she need to pay 250 rupees to shopkeeper. Okay, so this is how we just solve that one. Now move on next one, which is additions with carrying. Add 546 and 237. First one is 546 plus 237. You have to start with ones place. So at ones 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 13 कैसे लिखते हैं? 110 plus 3 ones. Write 3 under ones and carry 110 to tens. Okay, like this. Step number 2, 546 में 237 करोगे तो आप क्या करोगे? कैरी करके ये आपका 83 बन गया. Add tens, 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8. Write 8 under tens. Okay. नाउ थर्ड नंबर 3 पे, स्टेप नंबर 3 पे क्या हो गया? 100 की प्लेस को इन्होंने ऐड किया है. एट द हंड्रेड्स 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. राइट 7 under h like that way. So this is how we just do the addition sums. Okay. Now move on beta. Texting time 5.3. First one is add 328 and 437. So write it 328 and 437. Then 7 and 8, 15. 15 का 5, carry 1. 3 और 2 5 और एक 1 6 and 4 और 3 is 7. So 765 is the answer of that one. I hope you understood all. So just do practice beta. So now move on, texting time 5.4. First is at 236 plus 116. So 236 and 616. So you have to start with ones place. So 6 और 6 12 का 2, carry 1, 3 4 and 5 and 6 और 2 हो गए 8. So 852 is the answer of that particular one. So these are the other example of that one. Just do practice beta. Okay. So now move on next one, which is carrying hundreds. At 352 and 164. So these are the example. Start with ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. At ones 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Write 6 under 0. At tens 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 tens. 11 is equal to 10 10 plus 1 10. 100 plus 110. So write 1 under tens and carry 1 to 100. So add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 500 like this. So this is the method of carrying hundreds. Okay, I hope you understood. So now beta move on next, which is texting time 5.5. 147 plus 281. 147 and 281. Start with ones place. 7 or 1 8. 8 or 4 12 का 2. Carry 1 2 3 and 4. So write it 428 like that. Okay, I hope you understood well. So do the next one yourselves. Now add 581 plus 172. So 2 or 1 is 3. So write it 3. 8 or 7. 15 ka 5. Carry 1. 5, 6 and 7. So 753 is the answer. Okay. So these are the other answers. Questions you have to fill it your own beta. Now move on next one, which is carrying tens and hundreds. At 354 and 289. So this is the example. Start with ones place. Then solve tens place. Carry ऊपर देकर फिर 100 place. At ones 4 plus 9. 13. 13 कैसे लिखते हैं? Write 3 under 0. मतलब ones place के नीचे. Carry 110. 110 दे दिया. Now add tens. Tens को add किया. 1 plus 5 plus 8 14 बन गया. 14 tens हमारा क्या बन गया? 100 plus 4 tens. So write 4 under tens and carry 100 to 100. Add 100. अब 100 को add करेंगे. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Write 6 under H means 100. So this is how we just solve the carrying tens and hundreds. Okay. I hope you understood. So now move on. Texting time 5.6. At 456. 367. 6 और 7, 13 का 3, कैरी 1, 12 का 2, कैरी 1 and 8. Like this. Okay. So 823 is the answer of that particular one. So this is how you just fill it other yourselves beta. Now move on, texting time 5.7. 475 plus 75. So 5 और 5 is 0. हमें पता है हमें वंस की प्लेस से स्टार्ट करना है. कैरी 1, 7 और 7 14 and 1 15 का 5, कैरी 1 and 4 और 1 5. Okay. So these are the other blanks. You have to fill it your own. Now move on next one, which is texting time 5.8. Word problems. Addition with word problems. There are 347 houses on one side of a road. Road की एक तरफ 347 houses हैं. And 358 houses on the other side. दूसरी तरफ 358 है. How many houses are there along the road? तो total houses कितने होते हैं? Let's see. 347 and 358. So add both the number to get the value. So 7 or 8, 15 का 5, carry 1, 5 plus 4 9 or 10 0, carry 1, 3 3 6 and 7. So we can say that there are 705 houses among all together. Okay, I hope you understood well. So now life skill. Your sister has 125 rupees and you have rupees 85 more than her. आपकी बहन के पास 125 है और आपके पास उससे 85 ज़्यादा है. How much money do you have? अब आपके पास कितने हो गए? Clearly it's the addition sum. So just do it yourselves beta. Okay. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood the whole concept of additions very well. So just do practice well beta.